There may be instances when you open a certain file and your phone would ask you to choose which app to use to open and view the selected file or data type. This usually happens when you've installed multiple apps with the same functionality. So in this video, we will show you how to reset the app preferences on your Pixel 7. But before we move on, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel to support us. Going back to our topic, here's how it's done. To get started, launch the Settings app. In the Settings menu, scroll to find System and once found, tap on it. On the following menu, you will see system-related features and options that you can use and manage. Scroll all the way down to the bottom section, then tap Reset Options. Different types of reset commands will load up on the next screen. Tap Reset App Preferences from the given options to proceed. A pop-up warning will load up next. Read and review the message to learn what exactly happens when you reset app preferences on your device. Then tap Reset Apps to confirm action. The reset will then begin. The entire process only takes a few seconds to finish, so everything should be all set in just a moment. After doing that, you'll notice that the app preferences are brought to default when your phone asks you to choose which app you want to use to open files. We hope this guide can be helpful. Have a nice day.